while I'm looking at this J1970, the 1970 and 1980, and I don't remember what other Montgomery Ward machines have an automatic bobbin winder set up, and they've got this hand wheel and trim piece. And if you're having issues with your winder clutch, you need to pop this trim piece off. There's a dent in it to get a dental pick behind it or some other pin to pop the trim off. These two screws, which I already removed for the belt changing on this machine. And then there's this flat disc that plastic hand wheel attached to. And that has a set screw here on the side. So, okay, got the set screw out of this disc, or rather loosened. Oh. There's a spring retainer as well in the back here that I'll have to Alright, well, there. Oh, that set screw has got a very deep dimple on it too. Alright, so set screw comes out. On the back of this plate we've got a spring pawl, a rubber pawl, and a pin. And the pin so this pin with the this rubber pawl has a groove in it that interlocks with this spring. See, there's a spring and then this plastic piece here. So to get this to reassemble, we have to make sure that we get the spring pawl around this cam. Oh, come on. All right. Put it on. Pull our spring pawl out. And then I'm going to have to take some photos of that delicate area. Alright, so when the pawl here engages for the automatic bobbin winding, the machine turns rotates forward until this hook catches the back side of this cam, and then that causes this disc to rotate and lift this pawl, this is the drive pawl, off so it's not catching the pulley here, and that's how the machine releases. As you can see, this is a plastic assembly here, so if it gets cracked or broken, there are not a lot of good ways to repair or replace, or to repair it, except to replace it. But I've seen, I don't know, 3 or 4 of these machines come through and they haven't had an issue with this section yet. So, but yeah, if you're having automatic clutch problems, check that those the 3 pins on the back of this disc, this pawl, that pin, and that one, are all aligned correctly on this assembly here. And while there's a hole right here in this plastic part, nothing goes in this hole. I don't know what that used to be used for, but nothing goes in this hole.